In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply the Iman caption style in Submagic. We're going to keep this simple and efficient so you can get great looking captions in just a minute. Start by heading to submagic.so in your browser. Once the site loads, log in and select the account or workspace you want to use. If you have access to multiple accounts, double check you're in the right one so your changes land in the correct place. A stable internet connection and an up-to-date browser will also make everything feel smoother. After you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, you have two options. If you're starting fresh, choose Create a Project. If you already have something in progress, open the project you've been working on. Either way works. The key is to be inside the specific project where you want to style your captions. This keeps everything organized and ensures the look you choose applies exactly where you need it. Inside the project, look for the Caption section. Depending on your layout, this may appear in a sidebar or as a tab along the top. Click into Caption to open the Caption tools and style options. This is where Submagic groups all the visual settings for your subtitles, so you can quickly preview and switch styles without hunting through multiple menus. Now scroll through the available styles until you find the Iman text style. It's designed to give your on-screen text a bold, modern feel that reads well on social feeds and short-form content. When you see Iman, select it. As soon as you choose the style, Submagic applies it across your captions in the project. In most cases, the change appears immediately in your preview, so you can play a few seconds to confirm everything looks the way you expect. If you don't see the change right away, give the page a moment to refresh, or make sure you're in the caption section and not another panel. Also confirm you're in the correct account and project, since styles apply at the project level. Submagic typically autosaves these visual choices, so you don't have to worry about losing the style after selecting it. And that's it. You went to submagic.so, logged in and chose your account, opened your project or created a new one, navigated to the caption area, found the Iman text style, and selected it. With just those steps, your captions now have a clean, standout look ready for your next post or promo. If you're following along, you should be seeing the Iman style in your preview right now. Thanks for watching and enjoy your upgraded captions.